Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in rental insurance with Farmers. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Farmers Insurance website. Look for the Renters Insurance section on the homepage. Click on the link to learn more about rental insurance options. Read through the coverage types to understand what best suits your needs. Locate the Get a Quote button and click on it. Fill out the online form with your personal information. Provide details about the rental property, including location and value. Select any additional coverage options you may be interested in. Review the information for accuracy before submitting your request. After submission, wait for a quote to be emailed or presented on the screen. If needed, contact a Farmers Insurance agent for further clarification. Discuss any questions or specific concerns about your insurance needs. Take your time to evaluate the quote provided by Farmers. Consider how the coverage matches your budget and requirements. Once satisfied, proceed with the application to finalize your rental insurance. Review the policy details carefully before making your payment. Keep a copy of the policy in a safe place for your records. Congratulations, you are now insured with Farmers Rental Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.